Hi, my name is Lito. Today I will share with you my experience how I did HydraFacial for my face. I will tell you all details about this amazing treatment and I will show for you full procedure how my esthetician working with my skin. So please like, subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. One time a month I am booking appointment for HydraFacial. And HydraFacial treatment is very good for all type of skin. But especially for my skin, I love it. Why? Because I have oily combination skin and this treatment allows me to deep clean the skin and pores and to do scrubbers, etc. Let me show for you the full details of the procedure and the videos how my esthetician is working with my skin. And if you're an esthetician and you would be interested to buy this machine, you can follow the link in the description below and contact Pure Global Spa Equipment. At the beginning of my treatment, the esthetician cleans my face. She uses a toner to neutralize the pH. Then she is moisturizing my face with serums and water. Hyaluronic serum is a part of this treatment. She is doing massage and stimulate the lymph and blood flow. She is removing debris from the skin, anything from dust to pollen, compacted facial oil, as well as leftover makeup and anything else which can be compacted and congested in my pores. My esthetician works more on the nose with my pores. She applies hyaluronic acid on the top of the skin, or she is working with attachment of HydraFacial machine and pushing inside the skin combination of a few serums. The hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and vitamin E. Hyaluronic acid is an extremely deep hydration for the skin. I love when my esthetician is working with scrubbers and she is pushing dirt from my pores. I have some oil debris on the skin and she can remove the blackhead from my skin more precisely. After this procedure, I feel like my skin is breathing. Sometimes my esthetician is using this device for lymphatic facial massage for my skin. Dermabrasion is an amazing procedure for my skin. It's exfoliating the skin and at the same time washing with the serum. She is doing massage for my face with the fingers and with this device. Gentle way to do blood circulation for my face.
Any facial massage is extremely effective as an anti-aging treatment. Ultrasound is good rejuvenation treatment. It boosts cells turnover as well as elastin production. It helps to penetrate the product deeper. I like this anti-aging treatment as well. With this device she is working also in delicate area of the eyes. She is doing it very gently. Another amazing treatment is radiofrequency. It's tightening my skin and make it more firm and boost collagen and elastin production. Very gentle and very pleasant treatment as well. High-frequency treatment is a great antibacterial treatment and also stimulates the blood flow. It's a beautiful combination with the blue LED lights. Red light is used to rejuvenate the skin cells and boost collagen and elastin production for my skin. Red light is also boosts cell turnover, which will promote the skin looks younger and beautiful. Green light is very good for sensitive skin and it's calm skin, and if the skin have any kind of tendency to irritation, inflammation and high level of sensitivity. Blue light is a fantastic antibacterial agent and kills bacteria in the skin. Used in the treatment of acne. At the end of any facial, my esthetician is using different masks. For example, with hyaluronic acid for deeper hydration. Or sometimes my esthetician is using gelling mask. It's closed my pores and it's mostly cooling and it's calmed the skin down after any manipulation with the skin. At the end of procedure she is using toner and after that she is applying the serum and doing gentle massage for my face. I love when she is working with my skin and doing massage for my full face.
Please share your experience about facials and HydraFacials and what kind of procedure do you like? Please leave your comments under this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.